Welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to change your Facebook name. So let's dive in. So this is my Facebook. The first thing you're going to do is click on this your first menu button, and the next step is click on settings, and the next step is click on personal details. Then this is which account or which page you want to edit. Click on this and then click on the provide username. Click on name, and this is it. Just change your name to something, and when you're done, click on review change and click on save changes, and this is it. You have changed your profile name. So guys, if you found this video helpful, click the like button, share and comment.